So I just came from EP review, album review for Captain 95 for his album he dropped on the 26th of March 2026. Ala Panti Ga'a. So as I'm sending some files, I was playing some music and then a couple of songs played. And then I watched a little bit of Archer, you know, which it's the series about spying, you know, the whole agency type thing, like James Bond. So and then this song played. I'm gonna let it play just a little bit and then pause right there. Just pause right there. 10 seconds.
I was at the club and this girl saw me and she said, "Yay, but I'm not Yeezus. I do not rock Adidas. Right. But for my nights with creases, I'm popping once the
okay, it is it. 10 seconds. You see, and then as I'm listening to it, and I hear my language, Shona, young kings and queens. And I said, wait, this is the track kindly released for the one with Shona English and some Zulu. And then South Africa was going a little bit crazy for it, and then why not do a review? So here we are, we finna do a review for Go Crazy Check. So now, as a fellow soldier man, fellow young soldier, this is what we finna do right here. Yeah, let's go. Now we're ready for this. See, I already got swagger. This has got many pockets right here. As you can see, I got this pocket right here. I got so many pockets. Right now I'm wearing cargo pants, y'all. Wearing some cargo pants. Check, got a pocket here, a pocket down here, you know, down here too. Yeah, let's get it. Right. Let's go. I haven't seen any reviews for this, so hopefully I'm the first one to ever do it. For my boy, KindlyNxsh. Let's get it.
I was at the club and this girl saw me and she said, "Yay, but I'm not Yeezus. I do not rock Adidas. But for my night."
Oh, she said, yay. He's like, no, I'm not yay, but I do rock Adidas. Simple, bro. He's not yay. Call me kindly man. Nah, call me kindly nah, you know, something like that. Or young soldier.
With creases, I'm popping once the chat. GPT, they didn't believe us. And the fit is all black, like rugby team New Zealand. Yeah, cause you see the team's name is all black. Is this bitch tweaking? She don't listen to my songs, but she say she like all my features. Oh, she must be talking facial. But I'm not faithful, Jesus. I like my hoes biracial. Let's make a different species. Oh, yeah, my fit look crazy. I just met this bitch.
Boom, 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 dun, 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 dun. Dang 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 dang. I know you know that song. I know you do. Ah, dang 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 dang.
Ain't Gaga, I'm trying to make her my lady. All of you niggas is salsa, you so pop, you mixed with gravy. She said she want me for
all you niggas are salsa, you mix with pop. That's me, like, salsa is pop, basically. You just play it around with the same word, use it again in a different language. I use it again in different languages, so you started from Shona to English to Zulu again, or because pop, ipapa is Zulu. Pop is English, you check. So it started from Shona to English with a little bit of Zulu, because you can say pop is whole in isiZulu, or you can say ipapa, you know, like ipapa, like.
days.
Because it's soft. Pop is soft. Papa is soft. The tongue. This nigga soft like ipapa.
She with baby. Oh, fuck. Maybe she likes me. That's my best friend. I call her Android.
Wait, hold on. line he says about chilling with baby. Wait, hold on.
His name Gaga. I'm trying to make her my lady. All of you niggas is salsa. You so bop, you mixed with gravy. She said she want me for days. Already chill with baby. Oh, fuck. Maybe she likes me. That's my best friend.
She want me to be baby. She want me for days. But I already got my best friend. His name is Baby Days.
Android. I just want an S10. Sometimes I call an iPad. At that point, I want to have. Life's not fair. This is not my iPhone. Does it look?
Calling her an iPhone, like an iPad, because it's big and it's a little thick. But he wants his iPhone so he can handle it in his hand.
Like I care. Oh, fuck. I forgot. We need a hug. Yo, I'm in the club on crazy. 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 I'm in the club with your girl. With your baby. I'ma take your bitch. Weigh up your chances. Slim like Shady. You ain't taking no risk. Okay, Shona. It's coming some Shona. Okay, what's up, Dave? Feet triangle, eat it, come on. This kid you wanna. And I can fake up, babe. Pockets in shape. Like veins, I'm over the wall. Like China, I'm great. My pockets, I go at it tall. I go at it small. Your wallet, I'm like no weight. Triangle, eat it, come on.
Hey, hold on. Hey, dang, wait, let me try to increase the volume a little bit so I can hear this a little better. He says, okay, you know what, you want me to switch to Shona? Now, well, let's switch to Shona. Then Dave is like, hello, how you doing? You know, like, hey or hi. Just it's contextual depending on person you're conversating with.
Chances slim like Shady. You ain't taking no risk. Okay, Shona. It's coming some Shona. Okay, what's up, Dave? Feet triangle, eat it, come on. This kid you wanna. And I can fake up, babe. Pockets in shape. Like veins, I'm over the wall. Like China, I'm great. My pockets, I go at it tall. I go at it small. Your wallet, I'm like no weight.
Hey, bro, your Shona pronunciation. My own Shona wangu I see like perfect zokudaro, so in a accent, because you know I get used to speaking other languages rather than the main one, you know, just spoiler alert. Yeah, but yeah, dude. So that's why it's kind of hard to tell what you're saying, but I can hear some. You said my pockets are dope, like big, or your one is. Wait, hold on, let me go back so I can hear this properly.
Skinny wanna, and I can fake up, babe. Pockets in shape.
Oh wait, hold on.
It's coming some Shona. Okay, what's up, Dave? Feet triangle, eat it, come on. This kid you wanna, and I can fake up, babe. Pockets in shape. Like veins, I'm over the wall. Like China, I'm great. My pockets, I go at it tall. I go at it small. Your wallet, I'm like no weight.
My pockets are big. Yours are small. Like my pocket. You can also hear, right? I mean, my pocket, which is your pockets. Then it says, but yours are small. Mine are big, but yours are small. Mine, I think, it's like full of dough. That there's a word he says. It kind of threw me off there for a second there. You check. But yeah, just saying my pockets are big. Yours is small. That's it. That's a nice switch up though. Like that's a very nice switch up. You switching from English, and then you say, okay, you know what? Let's switch to Shona. Excuse me, mom. And then you switch to actual Shona, bro. That's really fire, dog. And even the lines you're saying are really fire.
My pockets, I go at it tall, I go at it small. Your wallet, I'm like no weight. You hate it because you want Tazira.
Hey, Dinokumamisa means I'll beat you up, bro. Like I'll beat your ass. You know, like I will beat. Hey, don't F with me, bro. I will beat you. I will F and beat you. That's what it means. Direct translation. Oh, ngizokushaya phela. Bomina ngizokushaya, ngizokulimaza, that type of thing. You check. So yeah, you hating cause they hurt you, not that I hurt you. Like vakakutadzira means they, not me. Vakakutadzira is they, not me, bro. I'm gonna let him finish the think like four bars.
Pockets in shape, like Vans, I'm over the wall, like China, I'm great. My pockets angle are tall, I go are small, your wallet on like no weight. You hate it because you are Tatira. Eating nigga, I'm the king, nigga, no ma. I'm tryna fuck Nazira. Him, H-I-M, does it around. You know, Baku Musha, but
Whoa, you said his name, but I don't know how to pronounce his name. Kindly, what's it, Charlie? How you doing? What do we say? There's a homie of mine. He wanted me to explain this. I hope, bro, you gonna watch this video. Actually, no, I'm doing this for you, bro. I'm doing this for you. Spank, I'm doing this for you, dog. He asked me to explain it. I don't know what happened, but ended I'm gonna explain it to you. KindlyNxsh, KindlyNxsh. Real name. There we go. Anashe. Whoa, that's Anashe. Ito or Ito. Anashe Ito cheese. Hey, bro, baby, got later hot time. She's hard. She's hard. I don't know. But it's Anashe Ethel. She's hard. Anate. Anashe Ethel. She's hard. Yeah. He is a 21-year-old Zimbabwean born hip-hop artist and producer based in South Africa, known for his hits like Ish Chief and for blending multiple subgenres, as he is referring to as Young Soldier. Okay, I'm gonna go back a little bit so we can like hear this. Let's go.
Eating nigga, I'm the king, nigga, no ma. I'm tryna fuck Nazira. Him, H-I-M, does it around. You know, Baku Musha, but
you said H-I-L. It's H-I-L, that's my name. I come from the rural. Kumusha is rural, like Emakaya.
Nazira, him, H-I-M, does it around. You know, Baku Musha, but I blow up in Johnny, Naga money, give back to Musha.
From the rural, so now I'm here in South Africa making mine. I'm taking it back home.
I blow up in Johnny, Naga money, give back to Musha. Pockets is 66 and Shona is 66. Yo, I fly out to Corey, then Big Tony. Pass me that bindi swamp, it's down. Okay, what now? Yo, I'm running out. Shout out Jesus, born in Bethlehem. Shout out to my mom, cause she gave birth to me, and now I'm him. Okay, I need another bar. Okay. Drip New Testament, I'ma always pass the toss. What the
Nah, this nigga having too much fun, bro. He having too much fun. Kindly having too much fun, dog. Having too much fun. But there's a line he said, giving back home. I could fly back and forth, even go to Victoria. And see the falls, Victoria Falls, because I know he says that Tona. Yeah, he said Tony. I heard Tony at first, but now that I replayed in my head, he's saying we'll see. Like we'll see the Victoria. So at any time, that means just flexing that it's got dough, bro. That's it. Just flex, my brother. Flex. You're allowed to flex. You can flex as much as you want, my nigga. Flex.
Need another bar. Okay. Drip New Testament, I'ma always pass the toss. What the fuck, the test I meant? I'ma always pass the test. I meant test. I'm the real YOG. We don't play Lucas raps, especially without me. If I don't produce it, I don't see why anyone would listen. I'm a boss, baby.
Nah, man. I'm gonna search some before I say something. Yeah, let me see. KindlyNxsh, go crazy. 2 weeks ago. Oh, Okay. It was released 2 weeks ago. All right. Lucas raps. New album. Dum 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 dum. YOG. YOG. Come on, man, don't play with me. Lucas raps albums. Right. YOG release date. When was YOG released? Let us see. 2026. Yeah, I can see that. Duh. But I just want to see 20 March. So 20 March 2026, this is when YOG was released. Right. And then KindlyNxsh Go Crazy was released 2 weeks ago, which would make 2 weeks ago. I'm just checking the calendar right now. So I before I hypothesize this, reggaeton 2 weeks ago, that will be not May, 2 weeks ago. So we got 3rd 1 week, 2 weeks ago. That was off the car. Hey. Young soldier, what are you doing? Why? What are you saying? I know you fire. Because you say, why would anybody listen to Lucas if it's not produced by me? I don't see a reason why anybody should listen to Lucas if it's not produced by me. Huh? This is what I'm about to do right now. YouTube music. There's something I just wanna. Because what I'm thinking about right now is this, Kindly produced some of the songs in that YOG, or he did not produce. And Kindly and Blakey are friends. I think they are friends. So, and Blakey just released a truth-telling song or diss track. I don't know, but personally, to me, I would say he's just telling the truth as it is, that is putting it out there. He's not dissing him, so there's no need for both of them to start a beef. Okay, so Y.O.G Lucas raps. There's 10 songs. Wait, before I just want to see something here real quick. I want to see if there's any song. I should have went to Genius, bruh. View some credits. Okay. Genius.com. Enter. Let's get. Come on. My little thirsty. What is this? Jeez, man. Did you mean Genius? Yes, I meant genius.com, bro. Right. Lucas raps. Is that even spelled? Oh, it's right. Look. Lucas raps. It's like one word. Pull, 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 pull. Pull, 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 pull. There you are, Lucas Raps, my boy. YOG, it's right over here. Don't freeze on me, brother. Internet, don't freeze. Laptop, don't freeze. I don't need you to freeze right now, bro. I don't need this to freeze. Song credits. There we are. There we are. There we are. Producers. There's Beats by Zay, Comey Draco, Cash Carly, Geek Fam, MNM Beats, BP8P, and Relo Beats, and West Coast. So Kindly did not produce this either. See now, this is where I'm getting from this slide. This is where I'm going at this. Kindly and Lucas, they produced songs that were supposed to be on that album of Lucas Raps, and then they were not there. They were removed. You see now, questions. Do we have questions now? Kindly, what is happening? What happened? You see now. You see, I didn't really wanna be curious about this whole thing. I just let it be. I heard Black side, you know. Now, yes, I am a not die hard, but I am a fan of Black. I really am, from like back to what's this? Just like a jelly bean. The song called Jelly Bean. Hey bro, that song is really hard to find, bro. You really need to know the name of that song. Every single time I want to listen to the song, I gotta call somebody who knows exactly the name of that song, brother. So wait, what was I saying exactly? I am a fan. I do wanna now hear Lucas Raps' side on this. Nah, we're not doing it. I'll just surf the internet, see what I find. Nah. So we can find out the truth, or I invite them to my tiny fortress of sausageude. Yes, I got it. Finally got it. Tiny fortress of sausageude, and have an interview. Both of them, and hopefully Kindly be waiting outside for him to enter and say his part as well. To what really happened? What is happening here? Hey. Let's get back to this cockroach.
Testament, I'ma always pass the toss. What the fuck, the test I meant? I'ma always pass the test. I meant test. I'm the real YOG. You don't play Lucas Raps, especially without me. If I don't produce it, I don't see why anyone would listen. I'm a boss, baby. She gon' walk for everybody. Sweet Mahatma Gandhi. Whoa. I'm on stage, I'm in my aunties. I just fucked a cool girl. Of course I call her Tani. Or auntie. I just gave you auntie. God bless him, Zanzi. Nigga, I'm Shalapanzi. I was at the club and this girl saw me and she said, "Yay, but I'm not Yeezus. I do not rock Adidas. Perform my nights with creases. I'm popping, what's the chat? GPT, they didn't believe us. And the fit is all black, like rugby team New Zealand." Yeah, because you see the team's name is all black. Is this bitch tweaking? She don't listen to my songs, but she say she like all my features. Oh, she must be talking facial. But I'm not faithful, Jesus. I like my hoes biracial. Let's make a different species. Oh, yeah. My fit look crazy. I just met this bitch named Gaga. I'm trying to make her my lady. All of you niggas is salsa, you so pop, you mixed with gravy. She said she want me for days. Already chill with baby. Oh, fuck, maybe she likes me. That's my best friend. Yup. I call her Android. Yup. I just want a S10. Sometimes I call her iPad. At that point, I want to have. Life's not fair. Yup. This is not my iPhone. Does it look like I care? Oh, fuck, I forgot. I'm in the club on crazy. 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 I'm in the club with your girl. With your baby. I'ma take your bitch. Weigh up your chances, slim like shady. You ain't taking no risk. Okay, Shona. It's coming some Shona. Okay, what's happening, Dave? Feet trango, eat come on. This can you wanna? And I got fake up, babe. Focus in shape. Like Vans, I'm over the wall. Like China, I'm great. My pockets angle are they tall, I go are they small. Your wallet on like no weight. You hate it because you a tatira. Eating nigga, I'm the king, nigga, no ma. I'm tryna fuck Nazira. Him, H-I-M, does it around. You know, Baku Musha. But I blow up in Johnny, now I got money, give back to Musha. Pockets is 6'6", and Shona is 66. Yo, I fly out to Corey, that's Big Tony. Pass me that thing, this swamp is down. Okay, what now? Yo, I'm running out. Shout out Jesus, born in Bethlehem. Shout out to my mom, cause she gave birth to me, and now I'm him. Okay, I need another bar. Okay. Drip, New Testament.
Nah, listen, I'm gonna come back. I need to ask somebody about this song here. I'm pretty sure this nigga knows the songs. I'm gonna call him right now and I'm gonna ask him. Just give me a few seconds. I'll be right back. I got it. You see, I knew if I call this nigga, he's gonna tell me the name of this song. I knew he would know. I knew this nigga would know. I knew you would know. Hey, did it down, hey, down.
We don't play Lucas raps, especially without me. If I don't produce it, I don't see why anyone would listen. I'm a boss, baby. She gon' walk for everybody. Sweet Mahatma Gandhi. Whoa. I'm on stage, I'm in my aunties. I just fucked a cool girl. Of course, I call her Tani. Or auntie. I just get your auntie. God bless some Zanzi. Nigga, I'm I was at the club, I was doing something, and she said, "Yay."
We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel the buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel the buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep, so it's drama in the club. Yeah, and I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. When you sell like them and them, you can play me a groupie love. Homie, ain't nothing changed, roll down, G's up. I see exhibit in the cutting, man. Rosie, watch how I move, you mistake before I play up here. Been hit with a few, but I don't walk with a limp. In the hood, in the lady saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But how in New York, show to tell you I'm local. We the plan is to put the rap game in the trunk. No, I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still in the grind. Now Shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. A girl from Wooded, they buy, and they ready to go. I'm yeah, club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need, if you need to feel the buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love, so come come give me a hug. If you're getting rough, you can find me in the club. Bottle full of bug, mama, I got what you need. You need to feel the buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug, if you're in the getting rough. My flow, my show brought me to go. That brought me all my fancy things. My crib, my cars, my clothes, my jewels. What on me, I done came up and I ain't changing. You should love it way more than you hate it. Oh, you mad? I thought that you be happy I made it. I'm that cat by the bar, toasting to the good life. Moved out the hood, now you tryna pull me back, right? My junk get the pumping in the club, it's on. I'm with my eyes, chicks, if she smash, she gone. Hit the roof on fire, man. Just let it burn. If it's talking about money, homie, I ain't concerned. I'ma tell you what banks told me, cause go ahead, switch the style up. And if they hate, then let them hate, then watch the money pile up. Or we can go upside the head with a bottle of bug. Come on, they know where we be. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need. You need to feel the buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug, you in the getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need. You need to feel the buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug, you in the getting rough. Don't try to act like you don't know who we be, neither. We in the club all the time, so pop on. Shady aftermath.
Shady aftermath. Yes, I told you, dog. There's something I know this shit wrong. Like, there's nothing wrong, but what you did, KindlyNxsh, genius. The song's called Go Crazy, and you talk about being in a club and shorty talking to you. And then you switch the lingo on the shorty, cause she wanna hear you speak some Shona. My nigga, bro, give me some. Yeah. Give me another one, dog. Yeah, give me another one, the last one. Yeah, now give me some vibe. Yeah, my nigga, let's go, boy. Hey, bro, that was fire, dog. I'm pretty sure a lot of people didn't notice that, dog, but that's fire. Hey, that's fine. Even you, I always see now I'm in the mood for some good music. Guy, bro, that was fire. So yeah, to close it off, hopefully, young soldier, you're not part of a war. You cannot stand. I hope you have enough ammo for this war that's about to go down as young soldier. Because if a lot of people paid attention to your song and what you said towards the end, bro, and if you looking at the timelines of when did Blake release? Wait, hold up. Blackie. How's it? Karma. That's 2 days ago. Official video. Late March, but I need 27 March, and Lucas released on the 20th of March. That's 7 days after. And then Kindly, when did you release? 2 weeks ago, which was roughly around the 27th. My boy, hey, gents, if it does turn out to be our beef, I hope this beef is fire. Yeah, I really hope so. Really hope this is going to turn out to be one of the best beefs in the history of South African beef. After AKA and Casper, may he rest in peace, AKA. Don't forget to pray. Yeah. Let me actually play that song for you guys as I'm closing up. 10 fingers. Is it shit? Don't forget, as it is, don't forget to pray. As it is Good Friday, don't forget to pray. And it is the name of our song. Let's get it. 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 Come on, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it.
I know we just saved the day. Superhero, I gon' need the speedo and the kick. X-ray vision through your evil ways. Tell your people don't forget to pray. Don't forget to pray. Do you know that God is on the way? Don't forget to pray. Do you know that God is on the way? Swag drip when you trap kids who do whack shit for some smash. Classics for you bastards, like a mad hits in the Tupperware. Gold rings like a shovel ranks. Ideas for you fucking brands. White tears in the duffel bag. I'ma die here in the motherland. Don't forget to check the blind spot. Remember, I'm an icon. Smoking till I'm on.
You die in the motherland. Let's get it.
Eye horse, don't forget to get the eye drops. Please be careful what you wish for. Rock and roll, Sex Pistols. Don't you niggas see the zip code? Weinstein, oh no. What you know about Les Montesine? What you know about Kojima? What you know about Sam Doe? NIT got the info. Blacksmith got the endo. Now you liking my photo. Catch me jumping out the bento. All white, homo. Dream merch got the t-shirt. Say dream work, check the logo. Teamwork makes dream work. That's KC. Georgia. Bumped into my teacher, he was riding around in Polo. Fast forward 2017, now I'm riding around in Photo. I know, we just saved the day. Superhero, I don't need the speedo and the cake. X-ray vision through your evil ways. Tell your people don't forget to pray. Don't forget to pray now. Do you know that God is on the way? Don't forget to pray. God is on the way.
Yeah, Chinagwete, hey, abandona banalin, hey, imalingin na nabanin, hey, best stingers on beam, okay, sorry, I'm over utin, hey, Googie Tiger go let Jean, hey, Gucci paint on the Supreme, hey, help the niggas self-esteem, shit nigga had to complain, superheroes had to intervene, diamonds on that Billie Jean, Zakaya got to go send me, in the booth like Clark Kent, in the coupe like Bruce Wayne, face lit, that's a new thing, finna do it for the youth, damn, and these niggas acting two-faced, but you think I got like some fruitless, we ain't fucking with your new tracks, but you already knew that, Fuga, Suzula, Fila, Spopa, Mila, Fuga, Fula, hey, Fula, don't know the name, I'm in the house as a voter, holy matrimony crucial, I know they hit a good song, chopper singing like a Luther, listen to talking and quota, love packing and live on, checking like the Qualicosa.
I know, we just saved the day. Superhero, I gon' need the speedo and the cake. X-ray vision through your evil ways. Tell your people don't forget to pray.
Don't forget to pray.
Do you know that God is on the way? Don't forget to pray. Do you know that God is on the way?
It's your boy, Tiny Sauce, out.